also I am checking. That's why I am telling you uh, which compiler you are using, Priyangshu?
The compiler I was using, there's a MG. What was the name? Mm, MGW
Visual
कुछ से.
Studio. Visual Studio.
Sir,
Okay,
Visual
Visual
Studio is
Studio.
the sir IDE.
Hmm. Okay,
The
okay, whatever it may
compiler.
be. So,
Sir, MinGW. MinGW.
okay, okay. So whatever it may be. So I think the program is well documented, but just if you add some comments, you know comments, na? Priyangshu, how to write
Yes, sir.
comments?
Yes,
Star
sir.
slash and then slash star or double slash for single line comments. You just make it a practice to add some comments within the programs. That is my suggestion. Okay, that will make the program much more readable. So you run the program.
Okay, sir.
It's correct. I think it's what is it? What? Yes, yes. Give some value. GCC Q7.
So for the simplicity, I had taken only 4 students.
Yes, yes, yes. You can take. Hmm.
And
Yes, yes.
these are not printed.
Now, which one is highest?
Sir, this is not
It is not
printed.
printing. It is not printing.
Sir, I
You
had
have
checked
not
once,
printed.
sir.
You check, check. I think you have not printed that maximum value.
No, sir, I had checked, sir, before. But, no. Sir, can I do
Go
once
to the
again?
print. Yes, but better you just show the code once again. I want to check because I have checked the main portions where you have printed that maximum value. You have not given percentage, the slash n name of the student, percent is roll number this, highest percentage this. So where you have printed the highest percentage.
Sir, in this statement, 42.
Uh, so where is your K? K is the
K
REQ
is
is
actually
stored.
required.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
REQ. Mm, SREQ dot name, SREQ dot roll percentage. It is not giving any error. So why it is?
Sir, I had checked, sir, before
It
showing
should
you,
be,
sir.
na? Some missing. I think some double quotes is missing there, or something
Mm.
is missing.
Sir, can
Comma?
I do
No,
once
no.
again?
Oh, yes, you run once again.
Mm.
This is similar to the earlier programs, just you have to use some dot operator there. Except that, everything is
Why it is
similar.
not printing?
Yes, it is showing. Huh?
It is
P
printing
is in
all
the
things, but it is not showing the
showing the
highest
next
percentage.
line. What is showing? P5 9 C colon. What is that before C colon?
Sir, this, sir, PS.
This is PS. Okay. Then why it is not showing? The other students who can find out the flaws in this program. Okay, you show the code. Let us check. Who can find out there? Printf, printf, quotes backslash name of the student percent s percentage f. It's float, na?
Yes,
The
sir.
percentage is float, na? Okay,
Yes, sir.
percentage.
Sir, the REQ variable should be float.
No, no, no. That is an index, na?
Oh,
That
okay,
is an
okay.
index. REQ role. So why? Yes, that is correct. S REQ dot role is the name of the. I mean, array is S, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, S, yes, S. Then S dot S REQ PR percentage. Why it is not printing?
So
Okay,
there
before that printf you write.
in line 31, int max it will be float max, I think.
Road
No, no,
max.
that should be float, na? Percentage should be float, na?
At
Priyanshu, he is
line
saying the
31.
correct.
Acha. Okay, okay, okay.
But I think the problem is not due to that. It
He
should
said that will be float because
it should
is
be
zero dot percentage is a
that should be
floating.
float. That must be float. But if you write int, what will happen? It will be converted to I mean some
Integer.
value dot 000.
Yes, sir.
I mean the fractional portion will be eliminated, will be removed, but still it should give some output. Na? Okay, you just make it float, na? Okay. Priyanshu, you make it float. Max should be float because your percentage is float, na?
Yes, sir.
So you can store float max is equal to 0.0, like that, simple.
At the beginning. No, not like that. The first, the maybe that is not the. So here the numbers are positive. That's why you are saying like that. But the
And
first value should be assigned there. That is fine. Int req ps 0. Okay, max less than sk dot percentage. Then max equals to sk dot percentage req equals to k. Now anyone from you can just tell us what is the problem here in this program. Okay, once again you run.
yes, sir. Not showing.
It is giving a correct answer. You check it.
Sir, in the
Percentage
before cases, the highest percent student is first student, sir. That means index is zero. In the previous cases,
Mm,
the student with highest percentage is first student. That is
uh,
index is zero, sir.
huh,
When he
huh.
written the code,
REQ was not initialized.
yes, sir. Then k value will not be there,
Oh,
sir. K value.
okay. Okay, that maybe.
So here
Uh,
the student with the highest percentage is second. Then it that loop is initialized and k value is given. So it worked now.
k value has to be assigned to 0, na, in that case, na. Yes.
Where,
Okay, Priyanks, you got the he's correct. Who what is your name?
Manohar,
uh,
sir.
so- Manohar. Okay, so your roll number, you are from civil engineering, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, CB 84. So you are correct. Okay, you go to the so you make it k equals to 0. at the beginning.
31st
why,
Priyanshu,
sir?
after
line 31.
no, just before the for loop, you make k equals to 0.
Hmm.
In line 31, you can make it.
You see, you are making. I mean, you keep REQ equals to 0. REQ equals to 0. REQ equals to 0.
Oh,
No, not like that. REQ equals to 0 because Priyanshu, you got his point now. Manohar, what he's saying is he's correct.
sir, but I want
Because
to say that
initially,
why is it necessary to initialize REQ? Because
otherwise k will
So
start
otherwise
with
it will
value
take garbage
1.
value initially.
So REQ
oh,
will, what value REQ will
K,
get?
so
Initially, it
K is
will get
also starting
some
from
k is starting from 1. Now you run the program once again.
it
REQ
should be
equals to
0.
0. Huh? Okay. Now you run the program. Now you
And
just make the
K
first
equals to
student
0.
with highest. No. REQ initially 0. Then REQ will be updated depending on the next value. Now you give the first student, you make the first student with highest number, highest percentage of marks.
mm,
Okay, now some small values. Okay, 96. Okay, fine. Next. It is showing 99 point. It's correct, na?
yes, sir.
So because if you do not assign some value, so if say the student with index 0 is with highest percentage of marks, then what will happen? So the REQ initially has some garbage value, then the value of REQ will not be changed. In the loop, the value of REQ will not be changed. REQ equals to K will never work. Then it will not print anything. It
Yes,
will
sir.
not print anything. So that is the reason. Okay. Now the next question number 8, that complex number. Define a structure to represent complex number.
Sir, can I?
Write a function that will accept two complex number,
Sir, that I also done.
and you find out the sum. So who is there?
Sir, can I,
So
sir?
Priyanshu, you
Sir,
just
can I, sir?
stop sharing. No, Orpon, you want to share? Orpon?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Orpon, you share. Marnav shared many times. Orpon, you share. Okay. Orpon is from ITB60. So let me note down ITB then 060 Orpon. Okay, Marnav, are you ready with question number 9? Will you be able to share 9?
Yes, sir. Question number 9, I think. Yes.
Sir,
You'll
can
be
I
able to
share
do
it?
that, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Orpon, you share 8. Okay.
Sir, this is visible.
Yes, it's visible. Let me check. Complex. Yes, complex. Type def. Very good. You have used type def. The complex, add
Yes, sir.
complex. So if you, all of you, just you need to know, if you use type def struct complex, and then after the closing curly braces you write complex, then struct complex can be replaced by complex in every time. Okay. So you don't need to write every time, you don't need to write struct complex. Instead, you can write just complex to represent struct complex. So that is type def. Type def is to be used in that case. Okay, type def, let me check. You have accepted ampersand n1 dot real imaginary and enter the real and imaginary parts. Second number, add n1 n2 sum equals to this plus this, result of real, result of imaginary. Yes. So Arpon, you try to think. I just told you that this is one of the advantages. So because you are
Yes,
returning
sir.
only temp, but two values return cannot return more than one values. Okay, but here you
Yes,
can
sir.
manage this with the help of stack. Very good. It's correct program. Correct program. Complex in one into temp real. Okay, so if any of you have any question, you can ask from this one. For this question, any one of you can. No question. So you run the program and show the output. So very simple. This one is very simple, and I'm telling you, even this program may just come in your. I mean, maybe they may set your professors may set this as program for your end sem exam. This is a very important one. Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. Let me check. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Arpon. You just withdraw your screen and. Arunabho, you just want to share, na? Arunabho, you unmute. Okay, Arunabho is not there. Okay, in Marnab, in that case, Marnab, you share your screen for question number 9. Repeat problem 8 with modification that the function will add to complex number as the previous case, but you have to call the functions from main and print the sum in main. Okay.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. It is visible. Will not return anything. So return statement you cannot use. Let me check what he has done. You go to the definition of the function. Yes, struct complex C1. Struct complex. One thing, C2, yes, int star p. Why int star p? Marnab, why int star p? Hello?
Hello, sir. Sir, int
Why?
star p does that C1 real and sir C2 real, sir, for this part, sir.
And what about the imaginary part?
And sir, for the imaginary part, it is doing this.
P.
Yes, sir.
Star p equals to c1 dot real plus c2 dot real. Okay, fine. Star p plus plus. Oh, okay. You are just storing. So you just show me the declaration of p. Okay, that is p. Okay. So you are incrementing. So side by side, you are storing its imaginary and real part.
Yes, sir.
Just in consecutive memory locations. That's why
Yes.
you have used that, na? Okay. Okay, now all of you see, he has used a pointer variable star p, star p, and you show us the definition of the structure. I mean, I want to, both are integers, na? Real and imaginary, both are integers, na? Yes. Then it will work. Okay. You if any one of you have any question, you can ask. Okay, you can ask anyone from you. You have any question, you can ask. I think it is self-explanatory. I mean, very simple one. Instead of just call by value, he has used some addresses. Pass the addresses. I mean, P will hold the sum of integer and real in consecutive memory. P and P plus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
10, 20 real parts. Second complex number 48 plus 60, and I suggest you during where you are printing, you just add one I, okay, before.
Yes,
So
sir.
that
Yes, sir.
will
Sum
make
equal to 40 plus 60, I said.
you I is there, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it's good. Okay. Now, okay, thank you, Mahanab. Your roll number CB 77. Let me note
Sir,
down
can this be
CB.
done without using the pointer?
Without using pointer 9. The 8 is already without pointer.
So that
Question
is
number
your
8,
pointer.
that is without pointer. But question number 9, how you do that without pointer? I think that question is, I have given that such that you can use pointers for with structures. Okay. But what Monam has written, that is Monam, what is your roll number? Once again, you repeat.
77.
CB077. CB077. Okay. Now,
Sir, I have done question number 9 in a different manner. Can I
okay,
show?
then you saw. So you want to just
Okay, sir.
see this. Actually, if you Sohini MEB 055. Okay, first I check and then I will just note down your roll number.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. It is visible.
Sir, using this way.
Okay, let me check. Huh? So all of you.
Arrow
Oh,
operator.
so that is again the use of pointers. Okay.
Yes, sir. But
And
here,
this one is I think you are sorry, this one is better than the previous one. Okay. Arrow
because
operator.
previous one is a little bit lengthy.
Yes. That is pointers. You are using pointers,
Yes, sir.
complex C1 and C2, and that is the pointers. You are someone is saying without pointer you cannot do that. Okay. So this one is more now. You see, this one is better than yours code. Okay. That is generally you are from which stream?
Sir,
Sohini?
mechanical. Sir, mechanical.
Mechanical. And Mohanab, I'm telling you, say for example, you just want to change your department from civil to computer science. Then when you come in our department, when you attend the data structure lab, we will just tell you to do in this manner what Sohini has done. This one is the better approach. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So you run the program. Run the program.
Okay, sir.
MEP 055. MEB 055. Okay. So depending on your CGPA, you can change your stream, and every year new students come here from different streams, from IT, even from IT they come in our department.
Sir, I have done this one.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, you withdraw your screen, and then the last one, the quiz program number 10. So you who want to share?
So can I share?
Who is there? Disita.
Yes.
Have you shared earlier? Have you
No,
shared?
sir. So actually, I wanted to share today also, but actually, I came to Kolkata today, so I'm just shifting. I'm in the process of
Okay,
shifting
you share.
things.
Okay,
So I
you share.
couldn't attend the first class also for this reason.
Okay, you share your screen. Disita from IT, ITB 058. ITB 058. So this is an example of defining calling declaring a complex number, structure variable within another structure. Okay, so this is the nesting of structure. One structure has
So
been
it is
declared.
visible.
Yes, it is. It's the extension of the previous one. Program number 8. This one is extension. The struct complex is the problem 8. Populate such a structure with suitable values and print them. Okay, let us check. So all of you just see what C has done. Disita. Okay. Int real, int imaginary, struct complex com, int real. Okay, very good. Then num 4. You have used an array of 4 such numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, array of 4 such numbers. Okay, let me check. This ampersand %d ampersand number com dot real. Yes, because the first one is a structure itself, real, then imaginary, and real img. Let me check. Number I dot real equals to number. Okay, will you explain the first for loop? Disita, will you explain?
Which one?
There must be three values. Na? You have to accept three values.
Yes, sir. It's starting
True
from
value.
zero. It's
Yes.
starting from zero. So 0, 1.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm asking you. You see, the struct complex comp already has two fields. One is real and another is IMA. Okay. So how
Yes.
you are accepting the values of real and IMA here? Real and IMA, and where are you taking the value of int real, real. Comp dot real number I dot real equals to number.
So I'm taking the value side by side. So the first term is the real value and the second term is imaginary value.
But you see, there are three values you have to accept. Actually, struct complex comp, two values will be there, and another real value will be there in the number. Actually, number is collection of two things. One is a complex number and another is a real number. Okay, you see. So the struct complex itself consists of two integers. You see, real and IMA, and the
Yes, sir.
number again has another real part there. So first part is the complex comp and another part is int real. So where are you accepting that value of, okay, number I dot real equals to, oh, you are populating the same value there, na? But I
Yes,
am
sir.
just,
Yes.
but not like that. So you have to, okay, I got your point. You are assigning the same value in the real part, but that's a different real number. 48, 57, like this. So you have to
Yes, sir.
accept
Yes,
another
sir.
number.
Exactly.
You got my point. Okay, whatever
Okay.
it may be,
Okay.
you run
Okay,
this one.
sir.
I will
Okay.
check.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I got your point, but you have assigned, but okay, that can be done with the help of another, ampersand number I dot real. That can be done.
So is it visible?
Yes. So okay, so whatever you have done, okay, that's fine. But you have to you read once again that problem. What I am saying, three values are to be printed. Okay, so for each of the cases, three values will be printed. Okay, two values for actually something, say 48 plus 28i, and another is real number, say 96, like this. So one complex and one real number is to be printed. So but okay, so any other student? Okay, you withdraw your screen. I got your problem. Okay, got your program, what you
Okay,
have
sir.
written.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But you just try to incorporate what I am just
Oh, yes, sir.
telling
Yes,
right
sir.
now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now anyone, the last student, Orunabo, do you want to share, Orunabo?
Yes, sir. I said done 8.
8. Okay, 8. Okay. Then at that time I called you twice. You have not answered.
Sir, my
Okay.
network was
Any other student
fluctuating.
who? Okay. No problem. So the next day you will share. But
Okay, sir.
any other student who can share for program number 8? Sorry, program number 10. Program number 10. So Tariq, have you? Okay, Riddhiraj, you share, and you are the last person today because we have a meeting from 4:30. Already it is 4:31. Okay. The class is up to 4:30. Okay, Riddhiraj, you share your screen.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing.
So you got my point, na? Actually, that number is a collection of two numbers. One is complex and another is real. That complex again consists of two parts. One is real and imaginary. Okay, let me check what you have done. Yes, this one. Ni dot real number equals to. No. You also have done the same thing, na?
Yes, sir.
But I am asking you to accept a separate value for each of the cases for that real number. Okay, int real. The struct number, struct complex comp, that comp will have two parts. One is imaginary and one is real. And
Yes, sir.
then another integer is there. That integer will have a separate value. Okay. Okay, you run the program. Run the program. Okay, all of you just modify this, whatever I am just saying right now. Okay.
Sir, actually, I took the input like this.
Okay, no problem. But you got my point. Na Disita already just got my point. So you
Sir,
have entered.
I did not understand, sir. How shall I?
I am telling you. So you have entered some real value and some imaginary value for the complex. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Complex. But in the number, you have an additional real value. Okay. That means for each of the struct number variables, you have to populate it with a complex number. Say for example 48 plus 78i. Okay, that is the first part, and the second part is another real number, that is say for 98. So for each of the cases, three values will be printed. One, the first one is a complex number, something plus something I, and second one is a real number that you have to accept as input and you have to print that. So every cases three values will be printed. Three values means actually two values, one complex, another real. The complex has two parts, one imaginary and real, and the real itself is another separate number. Okay, Riddhiraj, you got my
Yes,
point?
sir, I got it. Yes. Actually, I
You have to
printed
just,
the number as a whole, but it should have been separate.
I got, but you will be able to do that. I know that. But you just modify that and then submit. Then submit.
Okay, sir.
If you already submitted, okay, then but if you have not submitted, then you try to modify it.
Okay,
So by 11:59 today, all of you try to submit, and by tomorrow I will just
Sir, could you please extend the date to tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Like you can give 2-3 days.
Tomorrow.
Many of us are not done with it, and they're texting me
Actually,
regarding.
because this week we are
Okay,
having a lot of vivas and tests. And
okay. By tomorrow 11:59. So today I will just make it right now. Okay. Now you can leave the meeting. Okay. So,
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. I am extending that day to by one day. Okay. By tomorrow. I am doing that. But all of you are to submit properly. I am just whatever you are saying, I am just doing as per your request. But you are to submit. And in that case, if you fail, that will be a very that must not be entertained. Okay, because I am just whatever you are saying, I am just doing that. Okay, thank you all of you. I am leaving. I have another meeting. In the next lab we will meet in the similar fashion. In the first half an hour or one, we will just interact with you. I will, and then in the last half an hour I will interact with you, and in between I will take some Viva. Okay, thank you all of you. I am leaving. Okay.
So the next assignment when you will give?
Okay, you are saying to extend by one day. So by today evening, today night, or tomorrow. I mean, say by noon.
Okay.
I will just give you. And for that you will get again, say 1 week or more than 1 week. You will get. Okay. I will give depending on the assignments. I will just give you the time. Okay. Now I am leaving.
So
Okay,
next assignment, the last assignment.
Last assignment, because your last class will be on what is the last day of your, I mean the end of your session, teaching day,
So this month's last, I think. 30.
No, 31st or 1st April.
No, but I mean before 6th April we have to complete like something.
So first April is the last day for classes.
1st April is the last date. So in that case, the next lab is on on which date? Today is 24th. So
31st, sir.
Okay, so that will be the last lab, but I will continue with Viva session. Okay, I will continue with Viva, but that lab will be the, okay, we will meet in the next lab and we will discuss. Okay, so as per your requirement, I will do the need.